In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make voice channels public or private on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each setting means, and how to confirm your changes right away. This is helpful if you want an open hangout space or a quieter room that only select people can join. Start by finding the voice channel you want to change in your server's channel list. Move your mouse over that channel name. When you hover, a small gear icon will appear next to it. This is the Channel Settings button. Click that gear icon to open the settings for that specific voice channel. If you don't see the gear icon, you may not have permission to manage channels on this server, so you might need to ask a server admin to adjust your role. Inside the channel settings, look for the section labeled Permissions. Click Permissions to view the access options for this voice channel. This is where Discord lets you control who can see and join the channel. You'll see an option called Private Channel. This single toggle is the key to making your voice channel public or private. To make the channel private, enable Private Channel. Turning this on means the channel will be restricted, so only allowed members or roles can see and join it. To make the channel public, disable Private Channel. With it turned off, the channel becomes visible and accessible to everyone who can view that part of the server. You don't need to click a special save button. Discord applies this change immediately when you toggle it. To confirm your setting at a glance, return to your server's channel list and look at the voice channel you just edited. If the channel is private, you'll see a small lock icon on the channel name. That lock symbol tells you it's restricted. If there's no lock, the channel is public. This visual cue is the fastest way to double-check that your channel is set the way you intended, and that's all you need to do. Hover over the voice channel and click the gear icon, go to Permissions, and then enable or disable Private Channel. You can switch between private and public anytime, and the change takes effect right away. If something doesn't look right, make sure you have the necessary permissions on the server. Otherwise, you're all set to control who can join your voice spaces with just a couple of clicks.